called an optic chiasm near the cerebral cortex of the brain. And then it leads over to the lateral geniculate nucleus, and then to the primary visual cortex at the back of the brain. And there, interneurons carry the information away to integrating centers where the information is processed. Get all that?
Alan, you are so boring. Don't you understand? Eyes, rods, codes. Information goes to the eyes, information goes into the brain, and brain processes out the information. Rods don't distinguish color, but cones do. It's that simple, Alan. You don't have to be so boring and explain every single aspect of the eye.
Well, wait a minute. That discussion took place inside my eyeball.
I know.
Now, how did you hear it?
I know, because I am a figment of your imagination.
Figment of my imagination? Okay, you're not serious, are you? This is kind of a joke. I mean, I don't even know what you're talking about. You're right here. I can totally see you.
Alan, what are you doing?
I'm talking to Gary. You know Gary. You were best friends in high school and all that stuff.
Alan, there's no one here.
What are you talking about? I'm not getting this.
Don't you remember? Gary died.
Everything I know is a lie! Especially AP Bio!
Don't you remember, Alan? Gary died in a car accident trying to get to your house to do the AP Bio project. It was really sad.
Anthony.
Yeah.
What are you talking to? Who are you talking to?
Talking to Alan.
No, Anthony. Remember, Alan committed suicide because he got a B on his AP Bio project that we were supposed to do. Remember preparing for the AP test? He got hyperthermic because he was staying up all night waiting outside of Mr. Lowe's house to get an A.
Oh my god.
It's okay, Anthony. Come here. Here, let's play a game while we try to get rid of this. It's just a simple staring game. You understand? Here, we just stare at each other. Ready?
Gary, what are you doing?
Alan, you're breaking my concentration. I'm having a staring contest with my friend here. I think I'm about to win.
Gary, that's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Here, I'll have a staring contest with you.
I remember, I won this one.
Whoa.
Wait a minute.
Deja vu! Here, stop!
What?
Your loud music is
What?
Your loud music is damaging my cochlea!
Oh shoot, Coachella tickets! I gotta go get those! Screw you, Alan, screw you!
Okay, what was that guy singing about? Really fast. The mammalian ear has three regions. The outer ear collects the sound and channels it into the eardrum, also known as a tympanic membrane. And then the middle ear conducts these vibrations through three small bones called the ossicles into the inner ear, which basically responds to the sound it hears. Okay. The inner ear also detects the position of the body and basically helps us keep our balance. Okay, balance, okay. And then fishes and aquatic amphibians have also inner ears near the brain. And then fish have a lateral line system. It helps them sense water currents, predators, and prey. Okay. And then invertebrates have sensory organs called statocysts, which instead of a fluid, they use sand or other stuff to kind of help conduct these sound waves. Okay. And then the insects have body hairs that vibrate in response to sound waves. And then they also have ears with eardrums. Now wait a minute, I've seen it before. Now why does it look so familiar?
Alan, you know why they sound familiar? Because these are my very, very profound lyrics. And you also forgot one very important thing. Don't you know that when sound hits the middle ear, it causes the middle ear to vibrate, which then gets transmitted into the brain through action potential. That's why vibration is the very most important part of the hearing. Did you understand that, Alan? See, you can't steal these lyrics. These are copyrighted from me. These come from the soul, man. They come from the soul. Don't you understand that?
You know what I understand?
What do you understand, Alan?
I understand this is my AP Bio 101!
Who do their mind?
Hi, welcome people. Today we're out here in Africa, which strangely represents the humble city of Winnetka. Today we're out here to capture and find the predator called the flying mamba. Flying mamba is also a distant cousin of the black mamba and was last seen terrorized here. So in order to find the black mamba, you gotta act like the black mamba. But we're not looking for the black mamba, we're looking for the flying mamba. And in order to look for the flying mamba, we must be like the flying mamba. Animals use chemicals such as taste and sound, but they also use chemicals not only for mating, but also to mark territory. This is often located by urine. Now, according to my map right here, the black flying mamba should be down that way. Follow me. Now, we must use our map carefully, or else we're all gonna get killed out here. Now, crikey, we don't want that to happen, so let's go. Shit. Oh, crikey, what the heck is that? Oh, crikey, you must better stay put. You see, animals, oh, it looks like the white mamba is, oh, crikey, she's a beauty. Oh, crikey, it looks like she's foraging right now. You see, white mamba not only uses the taste buds on the tongue, which also has nipple-like projections called papillae on their mouth. This allows the animals to recognize the four taste perceptions: sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. Right now, this animal looks like it must be eating something very salty. Because look at the way it's shaking right now. Crikey! It must be spilling right now too, for the receptor cells for the cell are also known as the olfactory receptor cells. The neurons located in the nasal cavity. This sends the impulses directly to the brain, which allows animals to smell in the first place. But not only animals, insects also have these senses as well. Except it's not only on their mouth, but on their feet too. Crikey, look at that bugger. Let's go sniff it. Oh, crikey, it smells like crap. Oh, you better kill this sucker. Oh, crikey, you see that scared? Let's get away. Oh, we'll be back next time. Next time when you come back on African Safari.
Alright, so in case you can't hear the word I just said from the African Nightlife Safari, we're just going to go over everything all over again.
Okay, so the perceptions of taste and smell depend on the chemoreceptors. For taste, it is defined as the detection of chemicals in a solution, while smell is the detection of chemicals in airborne chemicals. Insects have taste receptors on their feet and their mouth. They also have olfactory sensillae on their antenna, which allows them to smell things. In humans and mammals, taste and smell is related. Receptor cells for taste are taste buds, are located on the tongue, or these can also be nipple-like projections called papillae on the mouth. Our taste buds and papillae allow us to recognize four basic taste perceptions: sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. Each is detected by a certain chemoreceptor and has a certain signal transduction pathway. Receptor cells for smell are olfactory receptor cells. These are neurons located in the nasal cavity and send the impulses we get from the sensations directly to the brain.
Weekend update with
Gary Kim, Anthony Wong.
Hi, welcome to Weekend Update. I'm Anthony Wong. And I'm Gary Kim. And here's this weekend's news. Common animal locomotion includes swimming, crawling, walking, running, and hopping. In swimming, the buoyancy in animals reduces the problems of overcoming gravity. So in this way, most organisms utilize their legs as oars in order to push water away. In land, friction is not a problem, as gravity requires the animals to support itself. This results in the leg muscles that must require adequate energy to refrain itself from falling. In flying, however, gravity is a problem, so wings must create enough lift to overcome the downward force of gravity. All movement is based upon two systems of cell motility, microtubules, which is responsible for beating of the cell and undulations of flagellus, and the microfilaments, which play a major role in